Today, let me introduce the spiciness dishes, spicy tempeh. Wash the chilies with fresh water before cutting. Cut them into small pieces slowly and ouch, be careful of your fingers not being cut. Yeah. Here is the long bar of tempeh. Cut it into small cubes carefully and put into a container. Peel off the onion and slice the garlic. Oh yeah, don't forget sauces need to get it ready. Oyster sauce and sweet ketchup. Ready with the hot oil boiled in the wok. After the oil hot enough, put in the onion and fry within 2 minutes. After that, follow by the red chilies fried together with onion. Put in cubed tempeh and fry together in the hot wok. After a few minutes, mix and fry until the tempeh becomes shiny. Put in green chili, then continue fry and mix. Lastly, put in the sauces, which is oyster sauce and sweet ketchup, and continue fry and mix. Keep frying and mixing. Be patient though. Oh wow, the smell from the wok. That is super nice. Cannot wait further. Finally, it's ready to out from the wok. Be careful though, it's hot while you put spicy tempeh on the plate. Well, it's ready to serve. Enjoy!